Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi and the same Apple ID because pairing requires device discovery and authentication. Once done, swipe to Open Control Center. If the Apple TV remote tile is missing, add it from Settings right arrow Control Center. This gets you into the actionable state immediately, so you can discover your Apple TV and avoid delays. Do this now and you'll move to the pairing step without interruption. You tap the remote tile and wait for your Apple TV to appear. This search uses Bonjour over local network, so proximity and same Wi-Fi matter. When your Apple TV shows, select it, then enter the 4-digit code displayed on your TV to authenticate. Once paired, test navigation and play /pause to verify input and latency. If controls respond, you're set. If not, recheck Wi-Fi or sign in. This step completes the secure pairing and makes the iPhone act like a physical Siri remote. You now use gestures. Swipe the touch area for navigation, tap to select, press and hold for home or Siri. These actions mirror the physical remote so you get familiar quickly. Use the keyboard prompt for faster text entry because it's much quicker than the on-screen wheels. If pairing or input fails, restart your Apple TV and iPhone, toggle Wi-Fi, then repair the remote. These steps clear network hiccups and usually restore function without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.